Good morning. So today is March 20th, 2018. We're getting really close to a critical point in this triangle, so I want to kind of go over that really quickly. Kind of just want to talk about yesterday as well because I was not on yesterday. I'm currently traveling in upstate New York and I only have my laptop with me, so I apologize for the low quality. I don't have my mic, my webcam, anything like that. Can't even do a floating head. Can you imagine that? So yeah, I apologize for the low quality, but yeah, I just wanted to come on real quick and do a small update. So we can start off looking on the Litecoin Bitcoin pairing, because not much has really changed there. Still around 1,800,000 Satoshis, or 1.8% of a Bitcoin. So something I did want to bring up before I get into talking about the triangle and some of the other stuff relating to Litecoin's price is that I like Nicholas Merton. He's the guy over at DataDash. But something that he has always done is he's not really ever been a fan of Litecoin. And something he said in a video, I believe it was yesterday or a day or two ago, was that he thought that Litecoin, as well as like one or two other high cap coins or large cap coins, was overextended. And basically, what he means by that is that he thinks the value of it should decrease before we really get back on track in the market, and Litecoin should lose valuations. And I just want to say I disagree with that for many reasons. Essentially, what he means by that is the last time that Bitcoin was, breaking past 7 and 8,000 US dollars for the first time, Litecoin was not at these prices at 160. It was much lower, and you can see here, last time Ethereum was 500 or so, Litecoin was not quite this high. So Litecoin is just gaining position in the market. And again, I think that's a really good thing. And it's based on the fact that there are people supporting Litecoin. There are fundamental reasons behind Litecoin's success. And I do not think that Litecoin is overextended at all. I think Litecoin is just doing a good job. And the community is great. And Litecoin's going to continue to increase position here throughout the next year, 2, 3, 4 years, and just increase its Litecoin dominance, its market dominance. And obviously, the first thing to watch for is the flappening passing Bitcoin Cash. I was asked in a tweet to mention Flappening Watch, the website. And I don't have it pulled up right here. I apologize again. It's really hard for me to use my resources on this small MacBook that I'm using. But Litecoin is gaining on it about $9 billion market cap for Litecoin, about $17 billion for Bitcoin Cash. So over 50% of flappening that. I don't think it'll happen this month, obviously, but this year, 100%, I think so. Doesn't mean it will. That's just, like I said, what I think will happen, and many other people as well. So if we just want to take a look on the 15-minute really quickly, this black line here is not actually horizontal. I'm incredibly zoomed in, so it looks horizontal, but if we would zoom out, you can tell this is actually just the bottom of the triangle. And what I want to point out essentially is that for a couple hours, Litecoin found really good support right at the bottom, essentially right there around 155. Found a little resistance around 162, 163ish, but again, finding more support at the bottom of the triangle. And that's what we need to see if we're going to have a breakout within the next few days. Because if we do take a look on the daily chart here, 2 days ago, it looks like it was possible we might have rejected this triangle that's been forming for a few months. But again, we did find support on the 200-day SMA. You can see the wick extended just to the 200-day SMA, bounced back, and then yesterday was an amazing day for crypto in general, getting a nice bounce back. I know a lot of people are saying it could be possibly related to the G20 summit and their rejection of cryptocurrency regulations and everything. I think that's always possible. I think that was good news. I don't think it was bad news. So I think that, if anything helped, didn't hurt the market. But again, too, I think we were also just reaching the bottom of the sell-offs and really the bottom of the entire market. So only time will tell. Nobody knows. It's possible again. But we're getting so close on this triangle that we really don't want to visit 130 or 140 again. That's probably not an area we want to visit. And if we do visit it with Litecoin, we would hope it would only be, a wick, and it would only be for a brief period of time, hopefully. Otherwise, that could mean that the triangle is going to be rejected, and this could fall through. However, realistically, it's looking pretty good right now, so that's something to look forward to. Real quickly, the market cap's about 330 billion, not looking too bad at all. Litecoin up almost 1% in the last 24 hours at the time of making this. So yeah, like everyone, kind of just patiently watching and waiting. But basically, just wanted to say this triangle is still looking good. This is what everyone's keeping an eye on. This is what we should be watching. Again, guys, apologize for the low quality. I will be back home soon, so I look forward to making the videos that I usually do.